Vitamin K2 is a critical nutrient that often flies under the radar. Many people haven't even heard of it, but it plays a vital role in our health, especially when it comes to our bones and arteries. You see, vitamin K2 acts like a traffic cop for calcium. It directs calcium to the right places in your body, your bones and teeth, and keeps it out of the wrong places like your arteries and soft tissues. Without enough vitamin K2, calcium can build up in your arteries. This buildup is called arterial calcification, and it can stiffen your arteries. Stiff arteries make your heart work harder to pump blood. This can lead to high blood pressure and increase your risk of heart disease. Vitamin K2 also helps to keep your bones strong. It activates proteins that bind calcium to your bones, which increases bone density and reduces your risk of osteoporosis. In essence, vitamin K2 ensures that calcium strengthens your bones instead of hardening your arteries. It's clear that vitamin K2 is essential for optimal health. Unfortunately, many people are deficient in this vital nutrient. This deficiency can contribute to a wide range of health problems. In the following sections, we'll explore the best sources of vitamin K2, how it works to clean your arteries, and how you can ensure you're getting enough of this overlooked nutrient. So how can we get more of this powerful vitamin K2? While some plant-based foods contain a form of vitamin K1, which our bodies can convert to K2, the most abundant sources are found in animal foods and fermented foods. One of the best sources of vitamin K2 is a traditional Japanese dish called natto. Natto is made from fermented soybeans and has a unique flavor and texture. It's not for everyone, but it's a powerhouse of vitamin K2. If natto isn't your cup of tea, don't worry. Other excellent sources of vitamin K2 include hard cheeses like Gouda, cheddar, and Swiss cheese, egg yolks, especially from pasture-raised chickens, beef liver, which is particularly rich in vitamin K2, and grass-fed butter, which contains more K2 than butter from conventionally raised cows. Incorporating these foods into your diet can significantly boost your vitamin K2 intake. Let's delve deeper into how vitamin K2 works its magic on our arteries. Imagine your arteries as pipes. When calcium builds up on the inner walls of these pipes, it's like plaque clogging them. This buildup narrows the arteries, restricting blood flow. Vitamin K2 activates a protein called matrix Geller protein, or MGP. Think of MGP as a tiny scrub brush. Vitamin K2 hands MGP its cleaning tools, allowing it to bind to calcium in the bloodstream. MGP then escorts this calcium out of the arteries and directs it to the bones where it belongs. This process helps to prevent further calcification and can even reverse existing plaque buildup. By keeping our arteries clear, vitamin K2 promotes healthy blood pressure, improves circulation, and reduces the risk of heart disease. It's like giving your cardiovascular system a thorough cleaning. Section 4, from K1 to K2, the gut's role in vitamin transformation. While we can get vitamin K2 directly from food, our bodies can also convert vitamin K1 into K2. This is where our gut microbiome comes into play. Our gut is home to trillions of bacteria, some beneficial and some not so much. The good bacteria, also known as probiotics, play a crucial role in our health, including the conversion of vitamin K1 to K2. One specific bacteria, Bacillus subtilis, is a champion at this conversion. When we consume foods rich in vitamin K1, such as leafy green vegetables, Bacillus subtilis in our gut gets to work transforming it into the more powerful K2. This highlights the importance of a healthy gut microbiome for optimal vitamin K2 levels. Factors like a diet low in fiber, antibiotic use, and chronic stress can disrupt the balance of our gut bacteria. This disruption can hinder the conversion of K1 to K2, potentially leading to a deficiency. Therefore, nurturing a healthy gut is essential for maximizing our vitamin K2 levels. Section 5, the dynamic duo vitamin K2 and magnesium's partnership. Vitamin K2 doesn't work alone in its mission to maintain healthy arteries. It has a powerful ally, magnesium. Magnesium acts as a natural calcium channel blocker. Calcium channel blockers are medications that relax the blood vessels, allowing blood to flow more easily. Magnesium performs a similar function naturally. When combined, vitamin K2 and magnesium work synergistically to keep calcium in check. Vitamin K2 ensures calcium is directed to the bones, while magnesium prevents it from accumulating in the arteries. This dynamic duo helps to maintain healthy blood pressure, reduce arterial stiffness, and improve overall cardiovascular health. Including magnesium-rich foods in your diet alongside vitamin K2 sources can further enhance your cardiovascular health. Foods like almonds, spinach, avocado, and dark chocolate are excellent sources of magnesium.